Hello guys, welcome to another video. I know you are watching this video because you want to know how Google search works. So please hit the subscribe button and it encourages me to do more videos. Okay, let's go to the video. Google acquires details from many types of sources such as web pages, user submitted content such as My Business and Maps, book scanning, public databases on the internet, and many other sources. But here I will explain how Google search works on web pages. Google follows three steps to produce results from web pages. They are crawling, indexing, and ranking. Okay, I will explain one by one. Number 1. Crawling. It is a discovery process that Google sends out team of robots called crawlers or spiders to find new and updated content on web pages and so on. The crawler or spider take notes of all the keywords, web pages, descriptions to learn your data search. This way the Google spiders goes to the already visited page which the user has visited in the past for better search results. And Google does not accept payments to crawl a site or rank it higher. Number 2. Indexing. After a page is discovered, Google understands the data of the page. Google analyzes the content such as videos, images, the catalogs embedded on the web page. This process is called indexing. This information is then stored in the Google Index, a huge database stored in computers. Number 3. Ranking. When the user searches something, the Google then scans through the indexed pages to give the best results. It gives attention to factors like language, location, devices, so on with the same search query, like how to find a restaurant or how to create a Google account, something like that. Search result for user in India will be different from person located in USA. This is how search results are varied. It ranks pages programmatically. This is how the Google works to give the search result after going through simple yet complex process. I hope you guys now you understand how Google search works. So thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos.